What's going on, everybody? Tom here with Ketolifestyle, and welcome to another free ketogenic recipe just for you subscribers out there. And if you're not a subscriber yet and you like this video, go and hit that subscribe button once we're done here. Now today we are going to be making a ketogenic take on chili. While yes, tomatoes do have quite a bit of carbs in them, I was still able to keep this recipe under 5% net carbs, which I think is awesome. So, per my usual style, let's just jump right into the recipe. Now for this recipe, we're going to be making everything in one pot. So get yourself a pot over medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, followed by half of a medium yellow onion. Go ahead and mix and cook the onion and garlic mixture until the onions start to turn transparent. Not all the way, just slightly translucent. And then we're going to add 1 pound of 80/20 ground beef. And break this up and mix it until it is all well browned. Now it's time to add our spices. So we've got a tablespoon of ground chili powder, a tablespoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground red pepper, and 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. We're just going to go and throw this into our meat mixture and stir it until the meat is well coated with the seasoning blend. Once the meat is well coated, it is time to add our tomatoes. So what I have here is 14 ounces of crushed tomatoes. And then we're going to add 1 cup of beef broth. What I have here is a cup of water with a cube of beef bouillon mixed in. Go ahead and give this a nice mixing just to make sure that everything gets well combined and some of the seasoning from the meat is actually going to mix into the tomato sauce blend. Most chili would not be complete without beans. So if you allow soy in your ketogenic diet, add 1 rinsed and drained can of black soybeans. If you're not familiar with this ingredient, go and check out these macros. They are great for a keto substitute because this entire 15-ounce can has 3.5 net carbs in it. And the only thing you're subtracting is the dietary fiber. I talked more detailed about this ingredient in my keto refried beans video, which I'll put in the card right now. But just note that soy does not mess with ketosis, and people who ban it on the ketogenic diet, it has nothing to do with it hurting ketosis. It has everything to do with them avoiding it for other reasons. Go and allow your chili to simmer for about 30 minutes, stirring it occasionally until it thickens up. You'll see how mine is relatively thick here. You can stop at whatever thickness you'd like. Now I'm going to go ahead and plate myself a bowl of this for the food photographs and to sample a little bit later on. As a note, I will be adding 1 ounce of shredded cheddar cheese right here, and that is included in the macros that you see. But now that this is plated up, here is our finished product. And now that you guys have seen how to make it, it is time for the taste test. So I have a bowl of chili here with 1 ounce of cheddar cheese on it and just a jalapeno for some looks, but we're gonna go ahead and give this a taste. So I'll make sure I get some of the soybeans, some of the tomato, and some of the cheese in here as well. Guys, that is a very good chili, keto or not. There's enough texture in there, enough bite from the meat. Get a little bit of heat kind of creeping up in the back of your throat from that red pepper. And those beans, those black soybeans, are a really, really great substitute for the kidney beans if you allow soy in your keto diet. But with that, guys, it is time to close out the video. As always, the macros and recipe are down in the description box. If you like this video, leave it a like. If you have not subscribed yet, do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, show some love, and I will see you guys in the next one.